Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to upload files to ChatGPT. So to start, go to chatgpt.com and sign in to your account. Next, open a ChatGPT conversation. Go to the left side and open a conversation. Now once you're here, at the bottom, click the plus button next to the message box. Select upload from computer. So add photos and files, click on it and choose your file. Click open. Wait for it to finish uploading. So you can type what you want ChatGPT to do with the file, then send your message. Click this R right here to send it.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
And that's it. You can typically upload documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, images, and other supported file types. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.